Hi there, 8th graders. This is Mr. Rogers, and this is a video tutorial on how to make your Planet mobile to scale. So as you probably are aware, we're creating each of our planets as a hanging mobile, and what we've decided is we've decided that Pluto is going to kind of be our standard bearer here. So we've just decided arbitrarily that Pluto is going to be 1 centimeter across. So what that means is a planet that would have a similar diameter to Pluto, 2,300 kilometers, would be about 1 centimeter. A planet twice as big as Pluto would be 2 centimeters, and so on. So 2,300 is our magic number, and I'm going to try to write this as nicely as I can. It's not too easy here with the mouse, but you can see here 1 centimeter is going to be equal to 2,300 kilometers. All you need is the information on the diameter of your planet. And since each of you have a different planet, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make up a fake number, just so you can see how the problem is solved. So let's pretend that there's a planet out there that we need to make, and that it's 25,000 kilometers for its diameter. Lovely looking numbers there. So how do you solve for this? You would take 25,000 and divide it by the diameter of Pluto, which would be 2,300 kilometers. Since 1 centimeter is equal to 2,300, if we can divide your planet by 2,300, that should tell us how many centimeters we're dealing with. I suppose I should put the 25,000 kilometers here too, to be precise. All right, so now all you need is a calculator to actually do the work. So let me open up my calculator real quick so you can see it. All right, so we're going to take 25,000 and divide it by 2,300. And that's going to leave us with a planet that we need to make that's going to be 10.869 centimeters across. Or if I were to round it to the nearest tenth, I suppose we round that to 10.9 centimeters. So I make that a 10.9. That's a lovely decimal there. There we go. And almost as pretty of a 9. So if we were working on this as a team, we would need to be able to make a planet with a diameter of 10.9 centimeters. And remember, diameter is the distance all the way across from one edge of the planet to the other side. That's the diameter, not to be mistaken with the radius. And the radius would be, if I can erase that, the radius would be the distance from the center out to the edge. So the radius is always half of what the actual diameter is. That might help you a little bit in your creation as well. But there it is, quick tutorial. Hopefully this all made sense to you. If not, track down your teacher, ask them for some extra help, and they should be able to get you up and running. Best of luck.